like a mini tornado going on here, and it was picking up everything in sight. It picked up 2 tents through one on the track. And I'm thinking, oh, dude, no, it's not. It was huge. It was throwing all over the place on the backstretch. Gnarly. Oh, do you see this tornado in the infield? Yeah, I'll watch it from the top of the S's. There's a pin that's flying.
Yeah, a lot of the spotters over there having some chatter back and forth. You actually bring multiple spotters to the racetrack right here. So as much as the crew chief and spotter typically talk on the radio, now you have to listen to 3 or 4 spotters with a lot of airtime.
I'll tell you, keep an eye on this pit road. SVG's crew has been good. They haven't been great.
And it is over this time, guys.
Yes, sir. 54 has been great. 45, 5 races won. Puts the pressure on SVG's pit crew.
Yeah, I think you're right. The best pit crew is that 54.
Everybody coming.
As we've seen most of the day right now.
Look at that. Austin Dillon, Kyle Busch, RCR coming. He's been moving through the field all day. RCR's been moving through the field all day.
Riggin.
Connor Zilch continues to try to battle his way back after losing a little track position early on. Right now he is as tight as he's been all day through the right-handers. He needs some help with the rights. Had been a little loose early in the left. That's not a problem.
Larry, do you like it?
They're going to be way back. They've got a pit. They've got a pit, and it looks like to me it's not going to be long after we go back racing. But we had so many that came to pit road there that I think that actually can make it from here if you save enough under this caution. All right, the cars that came to pit road fill up with Sunoco race fuel with Poet zero carbon bioethanol. And we have 39 laps to go in Watkins Glen. It's been an eventful day so far.
Guy, I need him after the race, please. Hey, do you want a Mr. Bill at your car and at your bus after the race? Bus. I'm gonna need a shot. Copy. He'll be at your bus.
Racing can't be any fun when your head is completely stuffed up like that.
It's the worst.
Had a good day coming into this number 1 down at the bottom of the hill. Making what he hopes will be his final stop and handing the lead over to Ty Gibbs.
And as I look at these lap times, Jamie?
Down into his box, SVG is here. He's got fuel to make it 24 more laps in regulation. A 4-timer stop here as he sees the field flying by him here in the number 1 stop. Box down and away.
Nemechek and Elliott are in. So it's Bolden.
And if it runs green right here, I mean, Larry, you tell me if I'm wrong. Even if Connor Zillich or some of these guys can't make it, there's going to be several cars that try to make this.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
There may be some not make it. We saw it yesterday in the Rally Series race, but somebody's going to make it.
Somebody will.
And the problem for Van Gisbergen is that 2 of those somebodies are in the top 2 positions. Gibbs and Zillich both stop at lap 61. Now Chase Briscoe's in 4th place. Here's their discussion about this economy run.
Just remember the numbers as you hold the throttle input. The left fuel oil used will be right on the number. I'll be a short hit. No short hit. Let me get this one.
Comfortable with any C's, don't change anything. Smooth with your throttle inputs, and we're right on our number. Doing good so far. 19 Briscoe.
Josh?
Well, guys, just an update on the 54. They just told him over the radio you are about a half a lap short. So I need you to save where you can. Also remind him that the 88 is saving as well to manage the gap. It's his racing speed, a half a lap short from 54.
With this much time left, I'm confident that I can save you this fuel.
Especially with the lead they've got.
That's right.
Like back there, Allmendinger's got a pit 3rd. The lead they've got on the Briscoe right there.
Yeah, I'll bet you. And you got Zillich with 2 seconds behind you. That's the gap I have to manage. Just be here, be safe. Start to ease off on the throttles. Half throttle down that straightaway, and sometimes I want to probably take some dives down there and give that crew chief a chance to look at what I'm doing and then correct me as we go throughout these last 21 laps.
So behind Gibbs, the next 3 drivers on the same strategy, Zilich, Briscoe, and Dillon, have all been told to save fuel.
Yeah, the only thing that I'm nervous about with the 54 is they just told him his lap times have been a lot faster than the other guys. So it'll be interesting to see how this all works out up front. Regan?
Well, Kevin, I just went down and checked with the 88 crew chief of Randall Burnett and said, hey, can you make it? How close is it going to be? All I got was a shoulder shrug, and it didn't look like a convincing shoulder shrug to me in that moment right there. And the 3-car of Austin Dillon checking with Richard Boswell. Same result in terms of when I asked him. He did say, though, no reason not to try.
That's right. And at the end of the day, maybe they don't know, but that's the play they're playing.
Yeah, and that was kind of my point to Larry earlier was somebody's going to try it. His answer was exactly what I thought it would be. Somebody's going to try to make it. And these guys aren't in the Gibbs and Zilich position like Briscoe and Dillon. They've been back there just saving gas from the beginning of the run.
So Shane Van Gisbergen came back on track around 24th spot. He is up to 21st, and he needs to gain 1.3 seconds a lap on the leader to have a chance of getting there before the checkered flag waves. Here's his radio.
We just need that pace for 23 laps, so we'll get most of the ones, and the ones that are back in the hill probably get due. Yeah, I think we're going to have to go get most of these guys. They're saving. Flags are over.
In other words, you're on your own.
Yeah, right, pretty much.
21 laps to go in Watkins Glen as the fuel strategy